If you have a disabled veteran license plate in Texas, you have access to a highly valuable benefit when traveling out of Houston's George Bush Intercontinental Airport: free parking. But actually claiming this benefit requires navigating a very specific set of facility rules. Make one administrative mistake or forget a single document, and you will be paying the full daily rate for your entire trip. Before you even pack your bags, your vehicle must meet the baseline requirements. You need permanently affixed, active DV plates. Temporary paper tags will be rejected. And you, the qualifying veteran, must be physically present in the car when entering and exiting the facility. To ensure you get through the gate without paying a dime, we are going to walk through the exact step-by-step procedure for entry, tracking, and exit. Understanding this paperwork and routine is the only thing standing between you keeping hundreds of dollars in your pocket or handing it over in penalty fees. Step 1 happens before you leave your house. You need to gather your physical documents, starting with your valid driver's license or military ID. The most critical item you need to find is your current unexpired DMV vehicle registration renewal receipt. You must bring the original paper copy. Digital copies on your phone or tablet are strictly rejected by the parking attendants. If you only have a photo of your registration, they will not honor the free parking. That paper receipt must also be in the name of the qualifying veteran and correspond directly to the DV plates on the car. If the vehicle is registered solely to a spouse or a family member, it is not eligible. Gathering these hard copies at home is mandatory. Without the physical paper trail in your hand, the benefit is completely void before you even pull out of your driveway. When you arrive and pull up to the gate, you must grab the physical paper ticket from the machine. You must save this exact slip. Taking a picture of it with your phone does not count and will not be accepted later. The facility needs this physical ticket to calculate your exact entry time. If you lose it, the system defaults to charging you a lost ticket fee or the maximum daily rate. Now for the time limits. In the main terminal garages like A, B, C, D, or E, you get up to 5 consecutive days free. For longer trips, route yourself to the Ecopark lots, allowing eligible veterans to park for up to 60 consecutive days. If you park beyond these limits, the free pass expires. You are responsible for paying the standard daily rate for every additional day. The airport uses this physical slip as the primary evidence of your arrival time, confirming that you stayed within the permitted 5 or 60-day window. One of the most common logistical issues veterans face upon returning is simply trying to find their car inside these massive multi-level structures. Before grabbing your luggage, locate the nearest wall sign or painted column. This sign tells you exactly where you are. The P stands for parking. A or B identifies the terminal garage. The 4 designates your vertical level, and A points to your specific section. Pull out your phone right now and take a clear picture of this location marker. Do not trust your memory after a long flight. So keep this straight. A photo of your entry ticket will end up costing you money, but a photo of this location sign is going to save you a lot of time. When you finally return from your trip, you will load up your vehicle and drive down to the exit toll plaza. This is where you can make one last crucial mistake. Do not pull into the automated credit card lanes. Route your vehicle into a lane with a physical booth, labeled cash or need help. Roll down your window and hand the attendant your stack of documents: the physical entry ticket, your military ID, and your original paper registration receipt. You need this specific lane because a human attendant has to physically verify those paper documents against your vehicle's license plate to manually override the system's charges. Once the attendant checks your registration and confirms your stay is within the time limit, they will process the waiver. The gate lifts and your total balance will be exactly $0. To recap, carry the original paper registration, guard that physical entry ticket, snap a photo of your parking section sign, and always exit through the manned attendant lane. This is an excellent benefit for Texas veterans, but the rules are rigid. Share these protocols with a fellow vet so no one ends up forfeiting their free parking over a simple paperwork error. Safe travels.